Guys, this is the first time that I'm doing this, but I'm actually unboxing stuff in person. Now, what I'm bringing to you today, well, not technically unboxing, unwrapping mostly and getting it set up. Here was the box. I probably can't read that, but maybe, I don't know. It's tactical vest, set of 2 vests. By Pokemon Boy. It's gift packaging. I don't know why I got it. Yeah. So, and I also got another thing, and both of them came in this giant beast of a box. I'm gonna use for a nerf for. Yeah, but let's keep unboxing. Got some scissors right here. They're very sharp. Yeah, we got some bandanas, it seems. Facial goggles. Nice harnesses. What are these things? These might be the actual vests. I don't know if they are. Let's see. Where are the actual vests? Oh no, they're sacks. That's cool. You know, the little carrying sack. I'm gonna use these in future Nerf wars that carry loads of bullets because it came with 2. They'd have like ball bullets and something. A button load of ammo. This is crazy. Why would they send me this ammo? And one of the main reasons that I got it. Look at all this ammo that she sent me. 221 dart holders. Oh, here are these. Whoa. Strap on. 2, 6 darts. Still okay. Great for carrying around. This is the actual vest. I'm excited to use this. Let's get started. Okay, well, let's see what we got for today. Sure. So it's a very nice feel, if I do say so for myself. And I got some ammo holders. You know. And it came with 2. Like, I actually have not been able to find some of my bags recently. I did not even know it came with bags, to be fair. But, I kind of do, but not like the big boys, you know? But, I mean, it's a nice addition. You know? I just like to put this set up right there for a sec. See? You know, just you're not fun. You're gonna go like, hey man, you're gonna wear, you know, you're gonna have like a nice thing on. You know, you gotta be able to like wreck the computer, you know? This is what I think of. This is, there's just a lot more sounds there for 1 second. This is what I want to bring to a Nerf war. And best of all, it might be his one more spare friend, brother, cousin. I don't know. No, to be fair, I don't really know. Yeah, let's see what some of these things are. Yeah, this might be fun. Let's see what these bad boys are. Pouches? Would you look at that? Yeah, I just don't even need to buy, like, holders for stuff. Or this is just, he's doing my job for me at this point. Oh, maybe this one. This one is good. Yeah. Put them in there. They're not also adults, anyways. Wow. Couches, you know. Don't even consider these there. And ammo too. I'm gonna have to do a lot of cleaning up after this. Let's go. Get out of here. And the next time we're gonna be reviewing came with 2 of them. Some nerf rifle things for head safety. You're gonna see what the entire attachment looks like soon. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot to clean up after this. Yeah, well, let's see it. Okay. This is great for face protection. You know, it's also gonna be great if you're trying to like do a large roleplay event with Nerf guns that I'm actually going to be doing in July. So just be ready for that. And well, I mean, this is what you wanted, wasn't it? You wasting my freaking money!